Morning, everyone. Welcome to Wednesday, April 1st. And since you are here, you have successfully gone into your Canvas calendar. You have gone into the distance learning module for pre-algebra and into April 1st. So thank you for showing up. By doing things this way, I'll be able to get an accurate portrayal of who is checking in every day. So thank you again. Yesterday I uploaded a video helping with Pythagorean theorem in 3D. If you're still finishing up that Khan Academy assignment, today and tomorrow we will of course finish up our third quarter. If there's anything in PowerSchool, any of your grades that are not accurate, I am attempting to keep up with everything, but please let me know if something needs to change. If you need help trying to understand a topic or even figure out what you should be working on based on your grade, please let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Friday, we start the new quarter and I'm looking forward to moving forward. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.